And yay, lovely. On the other side, just as lovely. Look, stick your screwdriver through there. Oh, cool. So you found the one spot. There we go. There we go. Yeah, so first we're going to have to do some repair work. So now we're underneath, and one of the things we're trying to figure out at this moment is what we can replace this with, because it turns out that a whole new floor pan, which is the way I would do it, is $1,200 on for both sides total, so $600 a side, which is like ridiculous. So we're trying to figure out how strong that needs to be, and Wolfgang was showing that even here, like, it is just like really flimsy. It's not like a particularly structural member. So I'm thinking that we can just cut this crap out and just weld something else up in there. The problem is, as you can see here, like, that requires welding very close to this, which is the gas tank. So it looks like if we were smart, we would take the gas tank out and then just, what's this? Oh, that's nothing. It's like, oh, let me just like drive my finger through there.
I think
that's a hole with some kind of rubber coating.
Yeah, it's intended to be there, ironically, I believe. The drain hole that drains nothing.
A drain hole to nowhere. And I want to know, what are these for? Oh, look at that. Oh my God, that's like paper mache, for the love of God. Like, what was the purpose of that thing to begin with? Like, why would you need that? I would love to know. If anybody knows, like... Man, I feel like the thing was made with fucking aluminum, with aluminum foil and undercoating, you know?
Well, there's fresh material right there. Also, this undercoating is keeping water in.
Yeah, it's like just a thick rubberized undercoating. Look at it.
And somewhere water's getting in there and staying in there.
Like, you can't tell how thick that was once upon a time. But no, I say but the thing is that we were going to weld to this for our roll cage. So in a way, it's really, really good that we ran into this, because the purpose of the roll cage is not to die. And if this is paper mache and you roll over, you're going to die even though you have a roll cage. In fact, the roll cage may help you die because of its presence. So I think we need to build something a little more substantial and sturdy back here to put that roll cage into. But unfortunately, it looks like that means pull the tank down to be safe. I mean, it is plastic, so if you were to weld near it, you would probably not have a problem. But the problem is, if you do have a problem,
it's a bit more than 1.5 fire extinguishers worth of a problem.
All right, well, let's get to it.
That's...
I mean, you might have to trim the other side a little bit too to get it to sit level. Where's the level at? Like, we should check to see if the car is leveled and throw a level on there and see that that's where it wants to be. Right? A little more trimming. And a lot more snowing. So here's what we fabbed up. Oh, you got some paint that you didn't clear over here. Right there.
What?
Right here.
I don't think it'll be that big of an issue. It's pretty down there.
We can go back and get it. You're just tacking in right now. So we have that one. And we have this one. These are rectangular steel. Quite thick. Like 1/4 inch. Quick little test fit. Seems a bit tall.
I'm gonna have to hack them off because we're gonna put in these braces. Because A, if this had gone where it was supposed to have gone, it would have gone through the floor anyways. The floor is made of, well, practically fucking goddamn paper mache without the rust, and with the rust it's not even paper mache, it's receipt paper. So we're gonna have to hack off a little bit to make this fit where it wants to be, and then the bitch there is gonna be figuring out exactly how much we're gonna have to hack off, but it shouldn't be too terrible. I mean, as long as it's within a couple hundred millimeters, a couple hundred. Well, as long
Couple
as,
100 millimeters.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's not insignificant. As long as we're within a couple millimeters, it's not going to be that big of an issue.
Right.
I mean, the real thing is going to be if I pass the broomstick test, but frankly, as long as passing the broomstick might be no, it can't be that difficult. It's matching up with the roof line.
Yeah.
Because I'm significantly under the roof line, even with a helmet on, I should be clearing with this bucket seat in here. So,
All right.
don't be tall, kids. Race car drivers aren't tall.